Imagine typing on a keyboard that looks like it came straight off of a vintage typewriter, but feels completely modern. This is the Yunzii QL108 in rose gold. It's a full-size mechanical keyboard with 104 keys and a dedicated number pad so it's ready for both work and gaming. The round electro-plated keycaps and solid metal frame give it that retro typewriter vibe while feeling sturdy and premium on the desk. You get south-facing RGB lighting with multiple effects, so you can keep it simple and soft or go full rainbow to match your setup. It connects via a USB-C wired cable, which means no batteries, no charging, and a stable connection every time you sit down to type. The QL108 is fully hot swappable, supporting 3-pin and 5-pin switches, so you can swap out switches without soldering and dial in the exact sound and feel that you like.